The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 3:5 and their heights are in the ratio 2:3. What is the ratio of their curved surface areas? Here two cylinders are given. So we will take R1 and R2 as radius and H1 and H2 as heights. Now it's given that R1 divided by R2 is equal to 3/5. That is R1 is to R2 is equal to 3:5. That's the given that will convert into this. Also given that H1 divided by H2 is equal to 2/3. These both are given in the question itself. We know that the formula CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Here two cylinders, so we can write CSA 1 is equal to 2 pi R1 H1 and CSA 2 is equal to 2 pi R2 H2. Now we have to find CSA 1 divided by CSA 2. That's equal to 2 pi R1 H1 divided by 2 pi R2 H2. Here 2 and 2 cancel, pi and pi is cancelled. That's we'll get R1 H1 divided by R2 H2. Or we can write R1 by R2 into H1 by H2. We already found R1 divided by R2 is equal to 3/5 and H1 by H2 is equal to 2/3. So substitute these values, we'll get R1 by R2 is 3/5 into H1 by H2, that's equal to 2/3. This 3 and this 3 cancel, so we'll get 2/5. Hence the ratio is equal to 2:5. The ratio of two cylinders curved surface area is 2:5. That's the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.